I gonna love you long time. Yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl tonight, Diamond, and I'm back again another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on so you miss any I post, and also be part of the Diamond Squad. Let's go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos. They'll be up in the cards. And yeah, oh my gosh, this is so pink on my lips. But anyways, today, well, not today, but I received a package from another company. The company is called Born Pretty. They sell nail products and all that good stuff. So as you can see, I already opened it and everything. Well, I just opened the box, really, and I opened this. I didn't fully see what's inside because, you know, I wanted to do an unboxing video, so it didn't make sense for me to open everything up because then it won't really be an unboxing video. But so this is how they package your stuff, and I do have a discount for you guys. My discount code is Sanaya World. This code gives you 20% off your order. I will also leave the link to these gel nail polishes I will leave them in the description box for you guys so you guys can check them out. And as far as their Instagram page, I will leave it down. Yeah, as far as their official page and everything, I'll leave it down in the description box as well. Oh my gosh, I don't want it to fall. So here they are. Now I thought this was gonna come with an LED light, but it didn't, but that's okay. I have an LED light. So you have here Born Pretty gel polish, uses manual. So this is basically how to use their product. And yeah, so they gave me a selection of, you know, colors to choose from. I decided to go with the bright colors this time, since with the other one I went with like more springy colors. There is one springy color here. Well, these are all spring colors technically, but I do have another lilac purple here, but you know, I definitely want to try out this. And the packaging, look at how the packaging look like. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I was more a darker purple, so it looks pink on camera, but it's a more darker purple. One of them just fell. The next one, oh, let me see if they have any names. Okay, this one, I don't see anything in the bottom of it. I think it came off, so I don't know the name of that one. This one is like an orange one, and this one is called Pumpkin Color Gel Series. So this is nice. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's a nice orange. It looks red on camera. I don't know why. It's orange, y'all. It's not red. I have a red one too, but that's the orange one. Now here's a red one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're coming off the back. So the red one is called, oh, okay, wait, that's not the name. Hang on. This one is called Grande Cornish. This one is called Smoke Rose. So let me just open that up. Now this is a nice red. Look at that. Oh my god, another one fell. No, this one is called, let me put the sticker back on the back of it. Mellow. So this is nice baby blue color. So here we go. Good jean blue color. It's very pretty. I really like it. And let me get the other two. Alright, so the other two now. This one is like a purple. It's like a different purple. I mean, so this one is called Flowers in Bed. And it's like this. And they're super thick, as you can see. Just put that up in the camera there. Super thick. Okay, and the last one is Emerald Bamboo, which is like a green. I like how they add this little detail right here where even though the whole packaging is black, at least they put like a little peephole right here so you can see the color and everything. Love that design, and the gold. I love the gold and black packaging basically. It looks very, very pretty. Okay. So this is more like, I would say, what kind of green is this? Like a sage green. Wouldn't be like a mint green. Oh, yeah, like a sage green a little bit. Light green. It's a pretty green. So, yeah, that is that. Now, when you go on their Instagram, I mean, not Instagram, their Amazon page. So, as you can see, this is their shop. These are the ones I selected. I believe the blue one is called Blues, and I just might have put the wrong sticker under it. I don't think it's called Mellow, but yeah, so that's the one I selected, and this retails for $19. And then the next picture shows, you know, the nails, how the colors look like on the nails, are very, very pretty. And then it's the next picture. Next picture, and then that's just a video. And now you have so now when you click on, what's the option, when you click on this, you have different choices. So let me click this one. So you have these colors as well. So that's the spring macaroon set, and this one is just called set 1, and then this one is called nude pinks, and this one is nude grays pinks. So you got that set, and then you have this set that's called Mulberry and Off-White. With this set, I really liked it. The color story, the colors, not the color story, but the colors in this set, really, really nice. This one is Miranda and White, and this one, I'm just showing you guys all the ones they have as a set. They don't just have these, but if you guys like these colors, yeah, I can get that too. This one's called Ivory and Coconut, which is a nice colors. Nice color. I want to say color story again. This one is Classic Black Gold Glitter, which this set is very, very pretty as well. And this one is called Camel Brown, which I was deciding between this one and the colorful ones, but I really like the colorful ones better, but these look really, really pretty too. So yeah, that's basically their sites. If you guys are interested to purchase some gel nail polishes, check out their website down below. Use my code. Let me see what else they said. Yeah, so use my code, check out their official page. I will be doing another video that will the other video will be a try on video, like me trying out the nail polishes and everything like that. So yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Would y'all purchase them and everything? And yeah, so like that's all of the nail polishes. So yeah, like I said, I was do another video trying these products out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't, find me on my social medias, description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my life.